Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure you do hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button so you're notified every time we do upload a new video. So guys, today I will be showing you how to apply false lashes, and also at the end of this video I will be doing a giveaway, and this giveaway is partnered with Falsieholic, so thank you so much Falsieholic for reaching out to me and wanting to do this with me. I will show you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned till the end of the video so I can show you what you could be winning for that giveaway.
Lashes that I have here today, it's gonna be Falsieholic, and these are gonna be in the style Jade. And then what you will be using is eyelash glue. This is one of the eyelash glues that I've been using for a couple years now, and these are some lash applicators. So you can either use this or even like some tweezers would be great. I use tweezers, and Falsieholic just actually sent this to me, so I've been loving using this. So definitely I'll show you guys how I apply it with that. And then you will also need scissors. So these are the scissors that I use, and I will show you just right now how you're going to be doing that. Okay, so I'm going to grab these and then just take it out like this. And these are the lashes. Guys, look how pretty these are. And then you're going to be grabbing your lash applicator, and I like to go in the corner like right here and go under the lash like that. And then once I have it off like this, I like to grab it with my finger and see, just lightly pull it off. So that's what the lash looks like. That's a good idea. And do you guys see these little corners? Those you're gonna want to cut off, because if not, they will actually be poking you in the eye. And then another thing you're going to do, you're going to actually measure it to your eye. Okay, so now you're going to grab your eyelash, just like that. And then you're going to grab your scissors. These are mine right here. And then I'm going to grab this little corner right here and cut it. Just like that. That's a little piece right there. And then I'm going to go to the other side and do the same. Usually that's enough for my eyes. Sometimes I do have to go in and cut a little bit more, but usually that's what it's going to be like.
Okay, so the way that you're going to measure to your eye, you're just going to grab it and literally place it on top, like so. Just like that. And then you can see like how much sticks out. So this one pretty much is good to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the glue, and then I can go ahead and place it on.
One more thing that I do like to do is actually grab the eyelash and kind of wiggle it this way. And what it does, it kind of gives it the shape of the eye. So you want to make sure that you kind of mold them to your eye, or even wrap them around your finger to kind of give it that shape. And then it's going to have the shape of your eye, just like that. And then it'll make it a lot easier for you to apply them. So you're just going to grab your lash, and then I put this so you can see it. Just like a wand, and you're just going to go along the lash line. And then I just let it sit for like at least like 30 seconds so it can get tacky. Then while that one dries, then I add it to this lash, and then you just wait. So the cool thing about like the white glue is that once it starts drying, instead of being white, it turns blue. So that's when you know when to apply it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a lash, just like that. And then I like to place my mirror right under, look down, and literally place it right in the middle. Just let it sit. See? And then you're gonna grab your eyelash applicator and make sure that you get the inner corner in. Like that. And then the outer. And then with this, I like to just squeeze it, get it as close as possible to my lash line. So with this, you just grab these and you go in between and get it close. That's it. This is how you get the eyelash on here. Then we are going to be going in with the other eyelash. Doing the same thing. You're going to grab it, put it on top, go down, and just let it rest on your eyelash. Outside. side. Like I said, I'm looking down the whole time because I can see how close it is to my actual lash line, because that's what you want to do. I know a lot of the times what happens is that you don't put it close to your lash line, and then there's a gap in between, like where the lash is and where your eyelashes are. So if you do this, you can see how close you are. And then with this, what it's doing is just getting them together. Just like that. So this is how you apply them. It's not super hard, but it does take practice. Practice makes perfect, guys, like anything. So make sure that you guys do just, get some lashes, try to apply them, practice till you get it down. I promise it will get easier. It just, like I said, it takes time. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Go ahead and DM me, either comment down below. All right, guys, last but not least, this is what you guys could be winning as the giveaway. These are the lashes that Falsieholic sent over to me for this giveaway. Look how beautiful these are, guys. These are in the style Virgo and Bombshell. They're so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see there. They're beautiful. And then I decided to throw in something myself, just to show how much I appreciate the love and the support that we've been getting. So these are the facial cleansing wipes from the Makeup Shack. And then this is the eyeshadow palette, which is the Aesthetics. Look how beautiful this is, guys. They're so pretty. So these are really cool. You can actually use this one as a bronzer. You can use that one as a blush. And then these you can actually use as highlighters. Okay, guys. So for the giveaway rules, you are going to have to be subscribed to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell button. Like this video. And then you must be following Falsieholic and myself on Instagram. Once you do that, go ahead and comment done down below and in the picture that I will be posting for the giveaway. If you don't do that, you will not qualify. So make sure you do all of that. Like I said, I will leave all the information down in the description box in case you forget. But please do that. We will be checking. And if you follow to unfollow, you will be disqualified and you will not be able to enter any future giveaways, okay? And we do have another giveaway coming very soon, as we are about to hit 300 subscribers here, guys. Thank you so much for that. We really appreciate it. And yeah, so hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys do give it a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.